'cause I wanted to be the king of something. Now I know how change holds hands with hope. Married to the air of temporality.